Hi everybody, so tonight I'm bringing you a really special video for me. If anyone who knows me knows I collected seatbelt bags for a really long time, and I was watching a video by Makeup by Tiffany, I think, and she was doing an unboxing of some Louis Vuitton. And a long time ago I used to love Louis Vuitton, and I decided that I was going to start selling off my seatbelt bags and investing into Louis Vuitton pieces. So I contacted my local store, which is actually the Fashion Valley Louis Vuitton inside Neiman Marcus. Ballerine Alma, they helped me, and they're very wonderful people. If you're looking for a sales associate, if you're looking for a store to shop Louis Vuitton, they go above and beyond trying to find exactly what you want, getting it. I have probably called them every day for a week and a half, and I'm really excited to unbox this special baby. I was very late to the party with the color that I picked, and I was very fortunate to still find one. They spent a long time finding it and getting it for me and putting up with me. So this is the bag. You can probably see it barely fits in the frame. It's really big. I was really excited to be carrying this. And I got it. I did pick it up today. I ordered it a week and a half ago, I think, when they were able to get it. So this is the card that I got. This is what you get when you buy Louis Vuitton, and then inside is your sales associate's name. This is Male, but Male and Leilani helped me out. And you get your receipts, which I always keep all together. And again, this is the bag that it came in. It's like bigger than me. I could probably sit in it if I wanted to. So I'm actually going to set this down. And then here is the big beautiful box. And if you purchase from Neiman Marcus, you do get the silver bow instead of the, I think it's a leather cord if you purchase from the Louis Vuitton store itself. So let's open this and set that down. Here it is. It comes in its little dust bag. And I'm so excited about this. I just saw it today for the first time. I ordered it and I hadn't seen it, and then I got to see it today when it finally got there. And here it is. I'm so excited. It's like so cute. This is the Alma BB in Vernis and the color Rose Ballerine, which was released earlier in the year. Again, I was very late trying to find any of these pieces. I was very lucky to find this one. I do have one more piece from the Rose Ballerine collection. But this one is really special. I love it. It's very little. This is not what I would consider an everyday bag. This is brunch, going out for a nice dinner, date night, going somewhere special. It is small. It is 9.8 inches long. It is 7.5 inches high, and then only 4.3 inches wide. But it does come with all the gold hardware. And then the piping is this very dark, I think it's brown, but it almost looks black. It's very chic looking. The pink, I loved it because it's not too pink. It's not like bubblegum pink. It's not little girl pink. It is a very beautiful, subtle pink. If you're familiar with the Christian Louboutin nail polish collection, it's very close to La Favorite, which is my favorite color, which is what I'm wearing right now, and it matches the bag almost perfectly. It does come with the gold lock, which Leilani put on for me. When they got this, it wasn't put together yet. They had to put my keys on, which are right in there. Wow, that's really stiff. And it does come with the crossbody strap so that you can wear it as a crossbody, which I love. I don't like wearing big bags as crossbody, but I love wearing little ones. I think it's really cute. And then inside it also has, it's the little pouch that goes over your lock, which is where now, right there, so you can keep that so it keeps your lock from getting scratched. And it comes with a little dusting cloth. The Vernis is the smooth, the shiny leather, and sometimes you can get fingerprints on it. I've obviously been handling this and it has no fingerprints on it. I do have the Amarant. That one tends to show fingerprints a little bit more. And then it also came with, this is the card that says what the actual item is made out of. And then here are my product stickers. And so far I've always gotten my product stickers in everything that I've purchased from that store. And then this is the inside. It matches the color, and it is It is just so cute. To me, this is like the cutest puppy, only it's a purse. And I'm really excited. This is more of a collector's piece. Again, it's not every day. This is a splurge, but I did sell quite a few of my old seatbelt bags to be able to purchase this. So this is very, very special. I will have this for a long time, and I'm just very excited about it. So thank you. If you are looking again for a sales associate or a store to shop at and you live close to the Fashion Valley in San Diego, I highly, highly recommend them. They are wonderful, wonderful to work with. So thank you, and stay tuned for my next unboxing.